Guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Now, as you saw in the title, let's build this driveway. Now, with all construction work, you have to meet with your contractor to discuss various things. You have to discuss your designs, how much materials to purchase. You also want to discuss your budget for him to do his measurements so the work can go as smooth as possible. So the day before the real work began, the contractor came and digged the foundation. I guess he's doing this to make the surface as flat as possible to work with. Now, I wanted to do a video on the perimeter walls that were built, but it was poorly constructed. I was so disappointed. The work took over 3 months when it should have been done within 1 month. And so I wasn't pleased. Luckily, we were able to get it to our liking. Now, these are the bricks that were purchased. We went with a two-tone shade. So we have light gray and we also have dark gray. Now, this is how the property or the driveway looked before the contractor digged the foundation. So this is just an example of it. Now, I don't know much about building driveway, but I'm going to take you through as best as possible. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So now they're using a brick saw to cut the bricks, and I think they're using the water to help to minimize the dust and allows for a smoother, cleaner, more accurate cut. After this, now, as you can see, they are sieving the sand, and this is done to remove larger particles like pebbles and debris, as well as to separate the sand into smaller fractions. Next, the spaces between the bricks are then filled with the sieve sand. So I wasn't sure what this machine does. However, I went on Google and I think it is called a vibratory plate compactor, and this is used to pound the bricks into the ground to create a stable surface. So guys, this is the driveway. It is so beautiful. Now this job took 2 days. The first day was to dig the foundation, and then the last day was to create all of this was perfectly done. It was so neat. I can say that this contractor is very meticulous. Now we went ahead to put a flower bed under the window just to enhance the property some more. Now we're not big on gardening, but we tried to do our best. So we got some soil from Portland as well as some plants. It wasn't to the best of our liking, but we worked with it for a year, and so we're going to show you the property over a period of 1 year. The reason why I did this was because for some driveway over a period of time you have plants growing in between the bricks, and I wanted you guys to see that we did not have this problem. Now this is a flower bed after 1 year. Guys, put in the comment section, what plants should I put in there to give it some color, to give it some liking. There's a lot more to be done, but this is what we have for now. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are no plants growing in between the bricks. However, there's a section that you do have plants growing, and this is where the pipe is. And the reason for that is because you have to have a little section for the pipe to come from the ground. So that's where the bush comes from. And this is not even bush. Well, it is bush. This is what you call cerci. This can be used to make tea. So that's the only place that we have plant growing, and it's an easy fix. You can just pop it out. But let me tell you guys, I'm really in love with the driveway. He did a fantastic job. Now, if you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking onto this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, post your comments and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.